komin. Tortóla. Aldrei í mínum viltustu draumum hefði mér nú dottið í hug að ég myndi koma hingað. Ég hefði heldur aldrei heyrt þessa eyju. Fyrir heldur bara ég horfði á sjónvarpsþátt í ríkissjónvarpinu á Íslandi.
Kannastu við eyjuna Tortóla?
Nei, kannski ekki við hana. Þú þekkir þessi eyjur miklu.
Nei, Styrmi Gunnarsson þekkir hana vel en ég veit ekki hvað.
Þú er að spyrja hann það.
Já, nei, það er talað það hafi verið leiðir fyrir fjármagnsundanskot, stóra fyrirtæki, Gaumur Holding fyrirtæki.
Ég þarf nú ekki að segja þetta.
Ég ætla ekki að vera að tala Styrmi Gunnarsson. Gaumur Holding stofnaði á Tortóla eyju í Karíbahafinu.
Okkur hefur verið sagt það að hingað hafi streymt peningar frá hinum ýmsu fjármálaviðstöðum í Evrópu og víðar. Og við erum hingað komnir til þess að skoða hvað haft í þessu.
Until you came this afternoon, I've never seen an Icelander on Tortóla. There may be some out there, but I don't think so.
I'm trying to think, and I do not think I've ever met an Icelander.
There are about 30,000 people living in the BVI on Tortóla and the other islands of the BVI. I guess we earn our income basically from two main sources. One is tourism, it's a big income generator, particularly marine-based tourism, yachting, and other things to do with the sea. And the other is we are an offshore financial center which specializes in a particular type of financial service, which is in which the BVI has a sort of monopoly in a global term.
People will call this a tax shelter or something like that because companies register here and they pay a flat fee, which is maybe a few $1,000s, which the government benefits from here, but they don't. A lot of the time they have to pay fewer taxes or no taxes in their home countries.
Well, tax haven is a word that's used. I mean, there's no secret in the fact that one of the reasons that people register their companies in the BVI, it's only one of them, but it is one of them, is there are certain tax advantages that we have a tax regime that is a bit less heavyweight than some other tax regimes in some other jurisdictions. That's obviously a benefit. There's no secret in that.
The financial services has grown rapidly in the past 25 years. 25 years ago, it didn't really exist. And in the past 25 years, they've gone from having just a few hundred offshore companies registered here to having 600,000 or more. And now that's become the sort of the financial pillar has become the major pillar of the BVI economy in that time.
Hér erum við nú stödd fyrir framann eitt af þessum svona húsum sem að hýsa mikið af félögum, hlutafélögum sem í eigu fyrirtækja allan heim og þetta svokölluð Trust Company sem hér. Þetta 4 hæða hús og í þessu húsi það bil skráð, það sé ekki svona 120.000 fyrirtæki.
There seems to be some mystique, just because we're a small island, if you like, that somehow, it's somehow different from the other financial centers. We are no different. We may be smaller than some of these other financial centers, but obviously much smaller than, say, the City of London. But that is another financial center offering a range of financial products. We are a small center offering a limited range of financial products. But to me, the mystery is why there should be such a focus on these smaller financial centers.
Well, just in general, I would say that the bigger countries are cracking down on. Are talking about cracking down on tax people who don't want to pay their taxes, who want to locate offshore and therefore not pay taxes back home. And I think that probably Iceland and the United States and the UK, I think that they would probably do well to look to themselves and to their own policies that are, in a lot of cases, allowing the bigger businesses to locate in places like the BVI.
Það hafa verið gerðir samningar, ég veit ekki alveg hvernig með Tortóla, ég held að það séu samt komnir einhverjir samningar, en sko það ekkert óskaplega mikið af upplýsingum að hafa á Tortólu vegna þess að allir innviður fjármálakerfisins þar eru mjög frumstæðir og þetta svona dálítið, þetta ekki umhverfi sem hefur verið stofnað til þess að gera þetta gagnsætt.
We had to be fully transparent on the tax side, so any tax accruing needs to be fully available to the countries of the citizens involved, basically. So we set about and have successfully completed a whole range of tax information exchange agreements, and we will continue to sign those agreements with any country that wishes to do that with us, basically.
To tell you the truth, I don't think that anything has changed very much. I don't think that the benefit has changed just because of these TIAs that have been signed recently. I think that the benefit remains that companies that register here will probably not have to pay as many taxes back home, and I think that they will probably continue to do so.
We couldn't go on a treasure hunt on Tortola from Iceland to find our money.
I'm afraid you couldn't. No, I think you've got to look elsewhere. If there is money, I don't know whether there is. Maybe there is, but it wouldn't be here. No.
I don't think the money is in Tortola. No. Maybe the money. I guess the money might have been. It might have been connected to a company that was registered in Tortola, but I doubt that the money was ever actually in Tortola. The money would have been in a bigger bank somewhere else, I would think.
Ég nú staddur hérna fyrir framan Palm Grove House sem í miðbæ Roatan sem á Tortola. Í þessu Palm Grove House eru þúsundir fyrirtækja skráð, meðal annars fyrirtæki sem í eigu Exista og fleiri annara félaga á Íslandi. Hér svo allt í kringum okkur eru svona hús sem skrá fyrirtæki og geyma fyrirtæki og passa upp á pósthólf fyrir fyrirtæki sem eru skráð í eigu fólks allstaðar af úr heiminum. Meðal annars á Björgólfur Thor hér, stórt félags sem ég veit sem skráð hérna í Ankara building ekkert langt frá okkur. Landsbanki Íslands, þar að segja gamli, hann á líka annað eins hús þar. En einhvern veginn, þá veit ég það ekki. Mér finnst nú einhvern veginn þetta hús ekki rúma þúsundir fyrirtækja, en það lítur að vera mjög stór fundarsalur hérna ef svo er. En þetta er svona á Tortola. Þeir eru þekktir fyrir þetta. Fyrirtæki, ekki fyrir banka, heldur fyrir að skrá fyrirtæki.